Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Kim Chiu, from her rise to fame on Pinoy Big Brother to becoming one of the most influential stars in Philippine entertainment. Stick around as we explore her journey, struggles, triumphs, and everything that makes her the true multimedia idol. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my vlog. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Kimberly Sue Yap Chiu, born April 19, 1990, is a prominent Filipino actress, singer, and television personality. Known for her versatile performances across film and television, she first gained national attention after winning the first teen edition of Pinoy Big Brother in 2006. Her career quickly skyrocketed from there, and today she is recognized as one of the Philippines' most influential and highest-grossing stars, with over 1.36 billion pesos in box office earnings. Forbes Asia included her in their 2020 list of the Asia Pacific's most influential Filipino personalities. Madalas na tinatawag na multimedia idol ng media, ang karera ni Chiu sa pag-arte ay sumasaklaw sa malawak na hanay ng mga genre, mula sa drama hanggang sa komedya. Una siyang gumaganap ng mga pansuportang tungkulin, ngunit nakakuha ng makabuluhang katanyagan pagkatapos ng kanyang pagpapares sa kapwa-aktor na si Gerald Anderson. This partnership resulted in several successful projects, including Sana Maulit Muli in 2007, I've Fallen for You in 2007, and Tayong Dalawa in 2009. Chiu continued to achieve commercial success in both television and film, with notable roles in My Binondo Girl in 2011, Bride for Rent in 2014, and One Great Love in 2018, as well as television hits like Minsan Lang Kitang Iibigin in 2011, Inak Kapatid Anak in 2012, Ikaw Lamang in 2014, and Love Thy Woman in 2020. Chiu's acting accolades includes multiple Star Awards, FAMAS Awards, and a Box Office Entertainment Awards, and she has been recognized on the international stage, receiving the Seoul International Drama Award. Bilang karagdagan sa pag-arte, si Chiu ay isang matagumpay na recording artist, kasama ang lahat ng kanyang mga studio album na nakakamit ng gold certification o mas mataas mula sa Philippine Association of the Record Industry. Napili rin siya ng Disney Southeast Asia para gumanap bilang Mulan sa isang espesyal na 2015 calendar shoot. Chiu has long been a regular performer on ASAP and is currently a main host on the popular noontime variety show It's Showtime. Her impressive career in entertainment was further honored in 2010 when she was inducted into the Eastwood City Walk of Fame. Kimberly Sue Yap Chiu was born in Tacloban, Leyte, to William Chiu, a Chinese businessman, and Luella Yap, a Filipino migrant from the Dinagat Islands. Growing up, she faced significant challenges, including the separation of her parents in 1998. Raised by her paternal grandmother, Chiu and her siblings frequently moved across the Philippines. The family lived in Tacloban, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, General Santos, and Mindoro before settling in Cebu City in 2006. In 2013, Chu reconciled with her father after years of estrangement. Tragedy struck in June 2013 when Chu's mother passed away after falling into a coma, which left Chu reflecting on his relationship with his mother and overcoming a childhood misunderstanding. Ang pamilya ni Chu, lalo na ang kanyang mga kapatid, ay nanatiling mahalagang bahagi ng kanyang buhay. Chu had a well-publicized relationship with her Pinoy Big Brother co-housemate and former on-screen partner Gerald Anderson from 2006 to 2010. In 2012, she began dating actor Zian Lim and they remained together for over a decade before announcing their separation in 2023. In addition to her acting and music career, Chu has ventured into business, launching her handbag line, House of Little Bunny Philippines, in 2022. Her entrepreneurial spirit was further showcased in mid-2023 when it was revealed that she owned a commercial building in Cagayan de Oro. Chu has faced challenges beyond her acting career. Noong 2020, nakaligtas siya sa isang malagim na pagtatangkang pagbaril ng dalawang hindi kilalang armadong lalaki. Isang insidente na sa kalaunan ay pinaghihinalaang isang kaso ng mistaken identity. Kalaunan ay nakatanggap siya ng paghingi ng tawad mula sa tunay na target ng pamamaril. An active voice on social issues, Chu has publicly commented on government mismanagement of public funds, particularly in the context of the Philippine government's pork barrel scam. She emphasized the importance of tax-paying citizens like herself, revealing that she was one of the country's top taxpayers in 2013, having paid 9.3 million pesos in taxes that year. Kim Chu's contribution to Philippine entertainment are immeasurable. With her enduring popularity, business ventures, and impact on Filipino culture, she continues to be one of the most admired celebrities in the country. Her journey from humble beginnings to superstardom serves as an inspiration to millions, demonstrating resilience, talent, and heart in everything she does. Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote, climb the ladder of success by stepping on the rungs of hard work and vision. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, Photo Credits 2, manilastandard.net, and inspirational quote credits to sanjess.com.